Okay, action!
Simon Quo, business development guy. Welcome to the Dig for Twitter group. Really excited about what we can create because I think there's a huge upside opportunity here in the next 54 hours for us to develop something that will truly revolutionize how people use Twitter. We all know how popular Twitter is already and is becoming, so really looking forward to working with all of you guys. Dev guy, I'm with a startup called LightThread, and we operate in the platform development, social media, intellectual venture capital space. This is my first startup weekend, and looking forward to working with all of you guys over the next few days.
I'm Elizabeth Harmeter. I currently work as a process analyst, so I'm very familiar with process organization and process flows. In my spare time, I am the editor-in-chief for a female game review site. I have about 12 girls that write reviews for me, and I run basically all of the reviews and articles that get posted to the site. It's called GamingAngels.com. So I've got lots of editing and project management experience there as well.
My name's Brent, but my friends call me Joey. I'm Joey96 on Twitter, and I'm a back-end developer guy, DBA primarily with SQL Server, but I've also worked with Oracle and DB2 and Sybase, so I'm your back-end guy.
Vince Vaughn, yeah, it's my real name, but I go by Banky, so call me Banky, and not Binky, Banky, and I have a day job where I'm a mild-mannered IT strategy architect.
Porter. I've done pretty much anything IT. I can do a little light coding with database, like debug, that kind of thing. I can and do a lot of research. I don't work for anybody.
I'm Jim Sweeney with Hewitt & Howe. I'm an importer. Over 20 years of experience importing from China. I'm pretty well connected over there. We have staff in Hong Kong, and I'm just here to learn and see if I can help out.
Sean Kincaid, Aspire Business Development, business coaching, consulting, work with small business owners, help them figure out how to make it bigger.
Alicia Falcone, BrandWorks. I do public relations, marketing, communications, and brand development.
Shashank Date. I'm a programmer. I program using Ruby on Rails. Back-end development using SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, whatnot. So programming, but I don't do design. I don't do the front end. That's not my cup.
My name is Tom Jenkins. I work as a freelance front-end developer. I work mostly with small businesses, a lot of WordPress, because that's what a lot of people are wanting to use because they want to blog and a front end. So I'm really familiar with that. A little bit of PHP, only enough to be dangerous, because only what I need to know when I'm working with WordPress. But HTML, CSS, jQuery, that kind of stuff's what I do.
Well, then we're going to have all this data. I mean, eventually we're going to have the data store is going to get huge eventually.
Yes.
Well,
so we'll be able to mine that in any way we want.
It seems like, yeah. Although, okay, here's another challenge, though. It seems like, how similar are two tweets?
Yeah. Very. They can be. I mean, if you're talking about the same subject, you're going to have a lot of overlap.
Yeah, but I mean, are we going off a keyword? So is this a keyword? And the keyword, what is it listing? Is it listing every single tweet on that keyword? Or is it listing, or is there some other way to elevate the most interesting tweet?
And that's where we use like an up or down based on the
Right, and score what looks like the top 700 or 500 tweets in a given 30.
Right, and just dump the rest.
Right.
Well, so not just that, but it's like, is there a need to think in terms of a specific tweet?
It was more.
So is every tweet on Susan Boyle relevant?
No.
Or is there some?
But the problem is,
Yeah, but who
but
determines
probably,
what's relevant?
yeah, but I guess the problem is that you have to pull all that crap anyway, in order to know
Right.
it's not good.
And unless you have somebody looking at it and reading it, you're not going to know whether it's a crap tweet or a good tweet.
Sooner or later, you're going to have to wait for the better diggers.
So maybe that's where you use the
Or else you're going to get
retweets
spam.
to know what people are
Yeah, no, that's an interesting idea because, but that puts us back to login, which gives us the barrier.
Well, I think eventually.
This is about dictation. But you know what? Yeah, but if you're working, I mean, if you're developing something that you're trying to cater to developers, you can just support both. So, I mean, it's not a problem. We can easily support both.
For Sunday.
Yeah, we can easily support both. Not a problem.
So, Shashank?
Yeah.
Writing an API in JSON and XML.
Okay.
Nobody really knows.
Sounds good.
That's all right.
Does anyone not know how to do what they're assigned to do?
Like, that is something that I could.
You could build an algorithm. Yes, that would be a huge help.
That would be.
I'm hearing silence, which is great.
Right now, right now we know how we're gonna have everything ranked.
So what was the?
But
Failed duck.
Okay, yeah, you're on the local host.
it's seriously it's saying. What was the other thing you wanted? We needed to account for? Oh, we need a tag area.
Yeah, we need a tag. Yeah, we need the tag area. We need to figure out how to integrate the chirp count. Then we need to do something about the backgrounds over there.
Right.
And then I guess we're gonna do something with the footer.
Yeah, well, we'll put it'll just be links. We won't have
Okay.
any. We don't have anything actually to put down.
Yeah, sure.